Hey guys, my name is Priscilla Elias, and if you follow me already, you know how much controlling my camera with my phone is important for me as I do many self-portrait sessions. I also use this function when I'm shooting alone and I need to be close to my subject. For example, when I'm shooting a product and I need to place a light over the product to see where it falls more beautifully. Then I do not need to be behind the camera in order to take my shot. So today I'll teach you how to connect and control your camera with your phone. This is going to be faster and easier than you think. The first thing you need to do in order to be able to connect and control your camera with your phone is to make sure your camera has a Wi-Fi feature. If it does, first, if you, like me, are a Canon shooter, you will install the Camera Connect app from the App Store or the Play Store. If you're not a Canon shooter, you should search for your camera's brand app because the official ones usually will work better than the other free ones available. At least this is what I figured out from the trials I did. Done that, you will go to this icon right here on your camera. You'll click over Communication Settings, and then you'll make sure Wi-Fi NFC is enabled. And in Wi-Fi function, you will click Connect to Smartphone and make sure the Easy Connection is enabled. By now, you should be able to see your camera's name here. If you don't, you can come to Select a Network and here choose your phone. After you select the Easy Connection on your camera, go to the Wi-Fi settings on your phone and find your camera network. Click over it, and on the first time you connect it, it will ask you for a password. This password is the encryption key you will find when you click over Easy Connection in your camera on the step we just did before. After you connect your camera with your phone for the first time, you won't need to insert your password anymore. For the next time, your camera should recognize your phone just fine. You'll just need to have your camera turned on and connect your phone to your camera's Wi-Fi. Done that, you're now good to go. Open Camera Connect app, select your camera and follow the instructions on the screen. Then you'll be able to remote live view shooting your phone, and also you'll be able to transfer the images from your camera to your phone if you'd like to. The cool thing about this app is you can set pretty much all the main settings from your camera using your cell phone. You can change the aperture, the ISO, shutter speed, set the focus, and of course, press the shutter button to take your photos or to start and stop recording your videos, like I'm doing right now. One thing that's important to mention is that sometimes when you turn your camera on and off, or if you use other apps on your phone while using your Camera Connect app, your phone will lose connection to your camera. Or at least it happens with me using my Canon 5D Mark IV with an iPhone 12 Pro. When that happens, sometimes I just need to find and select my camera's Wi-Fi connection on my phone again. Other times my phone simply won't find the camera anymore. Then I need to go to my camera's built-in Wi-Fi settings, disable the Wi-Fi NFC and enable it again. And sometimes I even need to come to Wi-Fi function, click over Disconnect Exit, then come to this phone again and click Connect. Then after a couple of seconds, I will see my camera's Wi-Fi on my phone again. It's some sort of bug with the app, I think, so it's important that you're aware of this so you can kind of refresh your camera's connection to your phone in case this happens to you. It's not very practical, but it's not a great deal either. That's it. Now you'll be able to both connect and control your camera with your phone in order to use the live view shooting for your self-portraits, product shots, and or any other type of shooting that requires you to control your camera remotely. It's also nice to mention that you can use this with your iPad. So if you want to see your photos or your video up front on a bigger screen, this is a great way to do it. The resolution is not that great, but it helps some. It's an awesome feature for product photography. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, guys. If it did or if it did not help you, drop me a line in the comments below either way, and also if you use any other app for live view shooting, please share your thoughts down here as well. Thank you so much for watching me, have a great one, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!